This is a Skil rechargeable cordless screwdriver, including the 9-piece bit and 1 bit holder. It recharges with the USB charging cable. It goes clockwise, counterclockwise, and features an LED light, which is very useful. I like using this on bolts and nuts that have a lot of thread, and this will just save you a lot of time. This driver is small but powerful. Let's drive a nail or a screw through the wood right here. Look at that. So powerful for how small it is. You should pick one of these up. It's worth it.